गुड आफ्टरनून टू एवरीवन। न हारना जरूरी है न जीतना जरूरी है, न हारना जरूरी है न जीतना जरूरी है, एक खेल है, खेलना जरूरी है। आई लाइक टू कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट्स फॉर योर वंडरफुल स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट। चीफ गेस्ट ऑफ दिस ओकेजन श्री M.B. Chhetri sir, Principal PM Sri K.B. Lycropic, highly respected venue principal Sri K. Alum Khumba sir, officials from KBS RO Silchar, escort teacher, coaches, dear participants and a staff member of Nehu Shillong. On behalf of KBS RO Silchar, on behalf of KB Nehu Shillong and my personal behalf, I am here to propose the vote of thanks. Before going to propose the vote of thanks, I would like to announce some important things which is related to the KBS National Sports Meet. As you know that KBS RO Silchar has organized 55th KBS Regional Sports Meet at 5 venues in 3 phases. Phase 1, it was conducted at KB ONGC Agartala for athletics under 14, under 17 and under 19 boys and girls. Second phase, it was organized at KB Kunjavan simultaneously at KB PM Sri KB Silchar from 28th to 30th of April. Third and final phase, it was conducted at KB Happy Valley as well as KB Nehu Shillong. It was grand success. So I would like to thank Honorable Deputy Commissioner Sri PIT Raja sir, because under his leadership we have conducted 2026-27 this regional meet. And also I would like to thanks highly respected Assistant Commissioner who is looking after of sports, Sri A.K. Sid sir, under his guidance. And I would like to thank all the parties, all the deputy TGT PHE who have taken a lot of pain to conduct all this event successfully. As you know that in under 14 age categories, if team is going to get first place, they will directly qualify for the national. But it is not like that. We will announce from venue, will come to your concerned school, and first it will be list will go to the moderation committee, that will be modified and that will be finalized at KBS RO Silchar on 8th of May. 8 मई को ये फाइनलाइज होगा कि कौन कौन बच्चे नेशनल के लिए सेलेक्ट हुए हैं। जो बच्चे अंडर 17 में हैं, जिनका ट्रायल हुआ है और जो फर्स्ट आए हैं, सेकंड आए हैं, थर्ड आए हैं, उनमें से जो बेस्ट प्लेयर हैं, they will only get selected for the next. Those who will be the best, we have tried our level best to select the best team for the Silchar region. Since last 3 years, we are improving medal tally. In last year, we won 46 medal in national, and last session we won 47 medal. But participation was more in 2025-26 session, whereas in 25-26 session we have decreased, but our percentage was good compared to the previous session. And this year also, that headquarter has given the strict instruction that only the deserving teams or player will get selected. Sub-standard team we are not going to send to represent our Silchar region. If you will be the sub-standard team, and also if you have won the first place or gold medal, it doesn't mean कि you are going for the national. But ठीक है, we will convey message to Honorable DC sir, AC sir. If you deserve, obviously you will get selected. Don't be disappointed if you are not going to get selected. साथ साथ here to propose the vote of thanks, I extend my heartfelt thanks to Honorable Chief Guest of the occasion of opening ceremony, Professor Saurabh Dikshit sir. His presence, we have started this event. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to guest of honor of opening ceremony, Sri Gunin Changmei sir. Sir has supported a lot because sir has provided a wonderful ground football, AstroTurf, where that our children has played over there, and it was a standard level football ground. So I would like to thank not only to Gunin sir, to entire Sports Authority of India, KB Nehu Shillong, and also I extend the Nehu BMC, water, electricity and all. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to today's chief guest of this occasion, Sri M.B. Chetri sir. Sir was appointed observer from KBSRO Silchar to look after, to conduct this event, and sir was not present for last 2 days due to his busy schedule, but sir was on phone. Sir was asking that how the game is going on. So thank you on behalf of KB Nehu and my sir. Please accept our heartfelt thanks. Thank you sir. I also कोई भी मूवी स्टार्ट होता है तो उसके पीछे कोई डायरेक्टर होता है. So our venue principal Sri K. Anung Khumba sir, because under his leadership guidance, not today, not this year, since last 3 years, we are organizing the regional sports meet as well as coaching camp. So I am very much thankful to Khumba sir for guiding us and always available for 24/7. Even in night time also I used to disturb to sir also if we face any problem. So thank you very much sir. My heartfelt thanks to my deputy TGT PHE, because under their responsibilities these tournaments were successfully conducted. Throughout the event they were working hard on the field, off the field also. जब फील्ड पे मैचेस होते थे they are always present, and after completion of matches and all they were coming to the sports room and they were doing the documentation work, which is very essential to select the best player and to give the justice to the participants. If any query, if anyone had doubt, obviously they will try to solve this problem. So I extend my heartfelt thanks to all the deputed officials, Mr. Bronson Kileng, Vicky Rai, Mahendra Godra sir and Thinhoi ma'am. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to all the escort teachers, those who are coming from long distance from KB MJDU Aizawl, ONGC Sirkona, KB Silchar, KB Teliamura. It's nice to see that participants coming from Aizawl, MJDU and Teliamura. Teliamura बिल्कुल कि अपना देश का जब आखिरी आप कह सकते हैं कि बाउंड्री लाइन पे है, so participants coming from there. So I also extend my heartfelt thanks to all the escort teacher for taking lot of pain to bringing your children to participate in this meet. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to all my supporting teaching as well as non-teaching staff, starting from food committee, registration committee, accommodation committee, opening ceremony committee, cultural committee, all the committees, those who were directly or indirectly involved to conduct this event in a grand success. So give a huge round of applause for all the supporting staff of KB Nehu, because it was their hard work. Your stay for 3 days, it was wonderful. I think I didn't face any problem from the participants and escort as well as. So thanks to all the staff of KB Nehu Shillong. If I will not say thanks to all the कि जो नायक और अभिनेता जो होते हैं, जो कि पूरी मूवी जिस पे चलती है, so I extend my heartfelt thanks to all the participants who has played and who has shown extraordinary skills. So I would like to congratulate at the same time all the participants. So give a huge round of applause for all the participants of archery, football, judo and all. At last I would like to thank God Almighty. का मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हूँ कि during the matches, ठीक है, बारिश हो रही थी, बूंदाबूंदी हो रही थी, लेकिन उस वातावरण में क्योंकि ऊपर से जब तक भगवान का अगर हमारे ऊपर आशीर्वाद नहीं हो, उनका सपोर्ट नहीं हो, उनका सहयोग नहीं हो, तब तक कोई भी इवेंट सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो सकता है। When we started on the first day, ऐसा लग रहा था कि बहुत तेज बारिश होगा, लेकिन हमारे भगवान ने बहुत सपोर्ट किया। तो मैं गॉड अलमाइटी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि उन्होंने हमारा सपोर्ट किया। एंड एट लास्ट आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक ईच एंड एवरीवन फॉर योर काइंड कोऑपरेशन सपोर्ट। थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय KPS।